Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on System. Now click on Reset and then click on Reset Phone. Now click on Reset Phone again and click on Reset Phone. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.